Oh, Miley. Whew. You're shoveling all the way through, Ellie?
Yep. And then I'm going to use a bucket. And then I'm going to make a snow castle.
You're going to make a snow castle?
Yep. Does Ellie have school tomorrow?
No, she's going to stay with me tonight. It's too dangerous to drive all the way to her house.
Can I make a snow castle?
I need a carrot! I thought you were breathing, Mito. That's the glove making noise. Yeah.
Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Come over here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, come on. Let me try one more time. That over? It was good. Let me put the one that's good. Oh, come on. This is how you put snow on the slide.
Okay, go, go.
Make it slippery. Then you jump off. And then, after that, it's a snow ride.
All right, go ahead. Careful, slippery.
I got it. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go, come on. Let's go see what the kids are doing on the other side.
Yeah.
What happened, Mito? Your gloves coming off?
I don't want these gloves.
Oh.
I can't. Whoa. Oh man.
All those bricks for nothing.
Yeah? Hold on. A snowball actually. It's a snow cube. You don't go for a jerk. Break my ankle. Oh, Papa, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Seriously.
Jump for your life.
I can't. I'm stuck. Papa, I'm stuck.
Okay, here I come.
Am I? No, I'm not.
No.
Sorry. Don't touch my butt. Whoa. Now that was fun. But not too much fun. Oh man. No. Give me some cubes. Give me some cubes. Give me some more cubes. Come on, give me some cubes. Cubes. I'm gonna bring the snowball for you, Mom. Yeah.
Oh, not in the face.
I did it, Papa. I did it. It's still final round. Of you too.
All right, you guys hungry, right? You hungry
Nope.
yet?
Nope. Oh man, I need more kills. I can't die for this round. He'll win, and I will lose. That's bad. 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 I did it.
I'm
Oh,
starving.
man.
Let's go.
No.